Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our weekly news rundown brought to you by Refindustry.com. I'm your host, Elena, bringing you the most talked about news stories from the refrigeration industry. This week is all about groundbreaking innovations, market trends, and eco-friendly solutions. Let's jump right into the top stories from last week. First up, Fraunhofer Institute for Solar Energy Systems ISE has unveiled an exciting development in heating systems for multifamily homes. The LCR 290 project, showcased at Chillventa, introduces energy-efficient propane 290 heat pumps. These heat pumps aim to replace traditional gas and oil systems using environmentally friendly refrigerant propellants. Extensive tests were performed, and one propane-based system achieved an impressive heating output of 6 kilowatts with low refrigerant usage. The project is sparking hopes for reducing the housing sector's carbon footprint, with plans to continue until June 2025. In other news, Trane is expanding its Sintesis balanced CMAF product line. This range is all about simultaneous heating and cooling with renewable energy and high efficiency. With sizes from 80 kilowatts to 640 kilowatts, these units now offer a comprehensive solution for hospitals and office buildings. They employ R454B refrigerant, aligning with European environmental regulations. Trane's commitment to reducing fossil fuel dependence is encouraging building owners to lower costs while meeting decarbonization goals. Be sure to look out for these units in EMEA, Australia, and New Zealand. Turning now to the HVAC market, which is set to grow by a whopping 25.3 million by 2028. Smart HVAC systems are leading the charge with advancements in technologies like IoT and smart thermostats. Companies such as Arkema and Daikin are making strides in enhancing energy efficiency. This growth is largely fueled by the need for better indoor air quality and the push for sustainable solutions. With data centers adopting liquid cooling technologies, the market is poised for significant change, emphasizing the importance of sustainable system developments. Shifting our focus to Europe, the HVAC equipment market there is also on the rise, expected to see a USD 10.8 billion increase. IoT integration and urbanization are key drivers, while competition from low-cost vendors in APAC poses a challenge. However, advancements in eco-friendly technologies like heat pumps and the growing demand for green building initiatives are promoting market expansion. As European companies focus on energy savings and smart technologies, it seems there's a bright future for HVAC systems. Lastly, Danfoss introduces its new line of EVR and NRV safety valves. These valves are designed to comply with the latest UL safety standards for flammable refrigerants, ensuring enhanced safety in HVAC and refrigeration systems. They safeguard against refrigerant leaks by providing an automatic shutoff during power failures, truly demonstrating Danfoss's commitment to safety and compliance. With these innovations, Danfoss addresses the evolving demands for safety and operational efficiency in the industry. That's a wrap for this week's highlights. From propane heat pumps making waves to innovative safety solutions, the future of refrigeration technology looks bright. Keep informed and read more about these stories on our website, Refindustry.com. Until next time, stay engaged and stay cool.